My mother used to say, "Some secrets are meant to stay buried, my child." I never understood what she meant until the day my own sister dug one up. That afternoon, I was cleaning out Mum's old closet when I found a small wooden box, tied with a faded ribbon, covered in dust. Inside were letters. Old, yellowed, tied neatly together. Just as I reached for the first one, I heard a voice behind me. "Give me that! It's mine!" It was my sister, Sarah, and her eyes were filled with something I'd never seen before. Fear and greed. I laughed nervously. "Sarah, these are Mum's letters. What's wrong with you?" But she didn't answer. She just snatched them and ran. When she came back hours later, her face was pale. I asked, "What did you find?" She looked at me, trembling, and then she said, "She wasn't our real mother." My heart stopped. "What are you talking about?" She handed me one of the letters. It read, "Sad. My sweet girls, if you ever find this letter, please know I adopted you both. You were left by the roadside crying. I couldn't walk away." The letter slipped from my hand. The world went silent. Sarah's voice broke the silence. "You're not my sister. You're just competition." I wanted to scream, to fight, to deny it. But the truth stood there between us like a wall. A wall built not from blood, but from secrets. Mum was sick. I went to her bedside, tears in my eyes, and told her everything. She smiled weakly and said, "I loved you both the same." But truth has a way of tearing love apart. A week later, she was gone. And with her, whatever bond we had left. Sarah didn't come to the funeral. Years later, I found myself standing at her door, holding that same old ribbon-tied letter. I slipped it under the door. Inside, it read, "Mum made us sisters by heart, not blood. If you're ready, I'm still your sister." There was silence for a moment. Maybe she finally read it. Sometimes, family isn't defined by blood.